Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a well-equipped 2015 Chevy Suburban LTZ four-wheel drive. Stock number Z9874X. 71,000 miles on this one owner. Local trade. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report. Sable Metallic in color. Seat 7 with a leather interior. Bucket seats in the middle row, which are also heated. Dual DVD players with wireless headphones and remote. Rear climate control to make sure everyone's comfortable. Push of a button on the inside of the door. Seats will fold flat for additional cargo space. Push again will tumble forward, making it easy to get to the third row that seats 3. Backup camera, along with rear parking sensors for additional safety. Trailering package behind the cover, nice clean look when not in use. Power liftgate for convenience. Lots of storage space in the rear. 60-40 split third row seat, fold flat easily. You can actually fold all seats from the rear and reverse the third row as well. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. Running boards make it easy to get in and out, especially for kids or shorter passengers. This LTZ has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, memory settings for 2 drivers, power seats, power adjustable pedals, and a power tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in a perfect driving position. Moonroof. Shift on the fly, 4-wheel drive with auto setting, and integrated trailer brake control. Large, easy to read gauges with driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, advanced safety features like forward collision alert. That steering wheel is also heated, great for those cold winter days. Large touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. Navigation. And there's, of course, where the backup camera display is. 3-zone automatic temperature control, driver, passenger, and rear heat and air. With heated as well as cooled front seats. Keep you comfortable no matter what time of year. Lots of storage in the armrest. Large glove box with all the owner's materials. Overhead. Auto dimming mirror, home link transmitter for garage door opener, power liftgate, and moonroof control. Under the hood, this Suburban has a 5.3 liter V8, 355 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 15 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 22 on the highway, and approximately 60% tire tread left. For more information on this Suburban, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.